And Saturdays mean Saturday morning pancakes. It's just a thing we do here, pancakes on a Saturday morning. So today is Saturday. Today is Arrow's birthday. He is 3 years old. We're going to have a little celebration for him and give him a cake and buy him a little present. Those of you who don't already know, Arrow's our Budgie. He's very interactive. He's in a lot of our vlogs, doesn't like to miss out. So today is the last day of our full lockdown, in which we all had to stay at home. And I'm just going to zoom in on this cute little birdie that's sitting on our trampoline. I don't think I can quite get in, but there he is. He's very cute. But anyway, we are finished with our lockdown as from midnight tonight, and we can go back to how we were prior to the lockdown. Basically what had happened is someone had actually lied to the tracers, the people that are tracing who went where and their movements. Basically said that they were not working at this premises pizza shop, but they actually were. They just said that they just ordered a pizza, they had no affiliation, but they were lying and they actually worked there. For whatever reason they decided to do that. So we all suffered and paid the price, and many businesses went thousands of dollars. They had to throw out all sorts of stuff. So not a good thing. Don't lie, tell the truth, people. But anyway, thank you for coming along with us today as we celebrate Arrow's birthday. The bird's gone now, darn it. It was very cute. Yeah, thank you for joining us today for Arrow's birthday. And if you haven't already subscribed, I'd love you to subscribe to our channel. Hit that notification button and the like bell. We'd love to have you come along with us. We really are thankful for each and every one of you already subscribed. You are our family and we love taking you on our journey. So today is kind of round 2 with the pool. We're trying to sort of figure out how to fix this thing, and celebrating Arrow's birthday. So come along with us today and enjoy our day. Good morning, birthday boy. Good morning, birthday boy. Are you ready to come out? We need to clean your cage today. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Arrow. Are you going to come out? Shall we get this out? Let's bring this out. Oh, he loves his little nest of toys. So it's this little guy's 3rd birthday. This is our funny little bird. Every time I do the dishes, he needs to have a bath. And he makes water sounds when he needs to have a bath. So, the funny antics of Arrow, huh? I think the thing is what I've learned about being a bird owner was I knew nothing. I absolutely knew nothing. And this little fella here has so much trust for us. And we are so super blessed that he allows us into his life. He's so super tame. Like, he obviously feels comfortable and happy. The funniest thing is when he does his bath like this, if I walk away with my food and my coffee, he follows. I think it might be a flock thing or something, you know, that if your flock moves away, then, you know, you're in danger if you don't have your flock around you. So tell me down in the comments if you think that that's true or not, because I'm not, you know, not really sure. I'm a real newbie with birds. Like, he's our first bird that we've actually owned as a family. We had birds as kids, but mostly they were kept in cages. So he's a free-range bird, really. He has the whole house as his cage. He can come and go as he pleases. At night time we pop him in his cage and he pops himself in there and goes, "Good night, birdie." He's quite cute. So bath time for Arrow. You've got to keep your bird clean. You've got to look after them. That's how they keep their feathers clean. So it's really, really important that you give them a bath. Keep him in a cage and not letting him have this type of stuff is why a lot of birds die really early. So Ma's gone. I'm going to head off into the shop and get some things for Arrow. I'm going to get him a cake and I'm just going to have a look and see if there's any other toys or anything there. So I'm just going to head off quickly into the shops and I've got to go to the chemist and yeah, I'll be back home and we'll start making a cake for this bird. Alright guys, we're going to make some little cupcakes to celebrate Arrow's birthday. I just got absolutely saturated with the hose, didn't I? Yeah. And we're trying to get the hose together. It's been a hot day, so I'm going to do some. So we're going to make these little cupcakes.
Ones.
Look, I'm not going to lie, I'm not a cooking person, I'm a cooking family. Boy. So for me, quick is good. So Toby, tell everybody what we need.
So what you...
I'll get the bowl.
Cake mixture.
Good old trusty bowl.
Cake mixture. Cake mixture.
What do we need ingredients?
So for this Greens Australian since 1978 pink cupcakes.
What do we need
for these particular cupcakes? So you need 2 eggs.
2 eggs. So I'll get all the ingredients. 2 eggs. What else? That's cold. Butter.
1/3 cup of milk.
1/3 cup of milk.
3 tablespoons of soft or margarine butter. A 12-cup muffin pan.
Guys, instead of butter, I'm going to put in vegetable oil, so that's what I do instead. Put butter in and it makes it more moist with oil. It doesn't matter, buddy. It's going to come out too pink anyway. Come on, let's make this cake.
Stupid.
Right, let's do the cake. Read the instructions. Read the instructions.
Chili.
We did used to have them. I don't know where they all went. And the red or blue could have gone.
So what we need to do, preheat oven to 180 degrees.
180.
And then it says, and there's a bracket, and then it says 160 fan force.
Yeah, that's what I've got it on. So pop your mix in. Look, I'm sure everyone's got a really good cupcake mix that they use, but I just find these are easy. Instructions are there. It's really easy for kids to make them. And messing around and fussing around.
And what do I need for this
No,
colour?
we don't do that yet. Just put the milk and the
egg
oil in.
2/3 of a cup of milk.
Put the eggs in first, then the oil.
2 eggs.
Behind there, chuck them in.
Don't actually chuck them in though.
Let's try not to chuck them in. And I'll just make a little well. I always make a well when you do a cake. It makes combining the ingredients better.
Ew, that membrane was so thick.
Toby's pretty good at eggs, aren't you?
Look how thick that membrane is.
Yeah.
Ew, get rid of that.
Just pop the eggs
Why is
in.
that membrane so thick?
Whoa!
Mistakes happen on this eggshell.
Cooking with Toby!
So what you do is you crack an egg into the thing, spill an egg on the ground. This is the Toby way of cooking. This is how you do it. Spill the egg on the ground. Spill one egg on the ground. And catch it in the bowl. Put another one perfectly in the bowl. And yeah, that's the Toby way of cooking. And then
it's gone. Did you eat all my
yank
eggs?
the oil in.
Did you eat all the other eggs? Toby! He ate all my boiled eggs, a cheeky little thing.
One
So,
third.
that's
So we
one.
need 3 of these.
What, how much was it? No, 2.
3. No, oh
it's
yeah, it's 2.
thirds, darling. Just 2.
And can I put it in?
Can we do it like up here? Pour. Or I'll pour and you pour this in.
Okay, I want to pour it in.
Alright.
So let's put this in.
Toby, you're making this into a bit of a disaster.
So we just pour we just yeet the milk in like that, and
Then next, what's the next thing say?
so soft butter or margarine.
No, we put oil in, remember?
I did put it in.
Yeah, so we don't need margarine. We just need.
And then we need the mixer. So using electric mixer or mix.
No, because it's actually really dangerous.
That'd be funny though, wouldn't it?
Right, so just start very
we just
slow.
put them in.
So if we pour it into a jug, it's a little bit, it makes it much easier for kids to
Thingies.
kids to pour it into the mould without spilling it everywhere. Excuse me while I die on my own.
So we just
Toby, I don't want you being silly.
Okay.
Come on, do this sensibly.
pull that in.
Stop. About that much in each one.
We want to stop.
Just the same as that one, sweetheart.
That good?
Yep. Keep going. Alright, stop. Don't be silly about it, buddy, because it's going to make a big mess, and this is really hard to get off once it's cooked, okay? Just be sensible. Toby's been a little silly today for some reason. Been playing Minecraft all day, he's got too much energy.
That one's just going to be...
That's going to be huge. Stop. No, a little teeny more. Teeny, not too much. Stop. Alright.
So, put too much in the cupcake cans, as they always say.
I think you put too much in them. So anyway, we are going to put these in the oven.
They look like pancakes.
How much do they have to go for? Now we're going to make some icing.
And I keep saying extremely spicy.
Now the thing is, I'm just going to do this bit because I don't want it going.
Okay, I won't turn it on too fast.
Just low.
What's that? I got this. Is that enough butter? Yeah, we need more butter. No, that's actually good. Oh yeah, come along good.
Hey little birdie, it's your birthday today. You're older than yesterday.
Yay.
So now that the cake's cool,
I've done my room.
I'm going to ice it. And there we go, all done. They're not getting too close to the cake.
Look at her.
That's your happy birthday cake.
Okay.
Let him get burnt. Just chewing away from the cake. Like, don't get him too close. All right, you ready?
It's not.
Happy birthday
Day to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Harold. Happy birthday to